Welcome to the Depth Dive. Today we are tearing into a really essential piece of hardware, the Thor Broadcast H-HDPerformux-4 IPTV streaming encoder.
That's right. And our mission today is to, really figure out the core value of this thing.
Specifically, we want to look at the standard unit versus the upgraded Performux Plus model.
And the context here is key. We're talking about a single 1RU rack unit. It's designed for massive consolidation.
I saw one source said it could replace an entire head end.
It's a bold claim, but you can see why they make it. The chassis can handle anywhere from 4 up to 24 HDMI inputs.
And it just pushes all of that out as H.264 streams over IP?
Yep, using standard protocols, UDP and RTP.
That density has to be the immediate selling point. I mean, if you're a cable operator or a big institution, you're always thinking about rack space.
Rack space, power consumption, all of it. The standard model gives you 4 HDMI inputs to start, but knowing you can scale up to 24 in that same box, that's huge for future planning.
And it's not just basic encoding, is it? The standard features seem pretty advanced.
Oh, absolutely. This is professional-grade stuff. We're talking about critical functions like PID remapping.
Okay, PID remapping. Break that down for us, because that's probably jargon to a lot of people.
So think of it like this. You have all these different video sources, right? A camera, satellite feed, whatever. They all have their own unique digital ID numbers.
They're PIDs.
Exactly. PID remapping lets you standardize all those numbers into one clean, organized system before you send it out. It's all about control.
So you're not having to manually configure everything downstream.
You got it. It saves an incredible amount of time and headaches. It also does PSI-SI editing, which is just more of that deep-level stream management.
And what about branding? I saw you can add things directly to the stream.
You can. The base unit lets you insert a QR code, a logo, even an on-screen display. That's really important for, branding or emergency alerts.
And for output?
You get a main 1 gigabit IP output and also a single ASI output.
ASI is that older coaxial standard, right?
Right. It is. It's great for mirroring your mainstream to legacy equipment you might still have in the rack.
Okay, so the standard unit is clearly very capable. Let's get to the big question. Why upgrade to the Performux Plus app?
It really comes down to one word: bandwidth. The standard model uses H.264 encoding. The Plus model adds HEVC, or H.265.
And the efficiency jump is supposed to be massive.
The source material claims H.265 can save up to 75% of the bandwidth.
75%. That is a staggering number. But is that a real-world figure, or is that just a perfect lab condition kind of number?
Look, even if you get half of that in a complex real-world environment, it's completely transformative for your network. It buys you so much room to grow.
And it's not just bandwidth. There's a quality improvement, too.
A big one. The standard model tops out at 1080p, but at 30 frames per second. The Performux Plus doubles that. It supports output up to 1920 by 1080 at 60p.
Which is much smoother, critical for sports or any high-motion video.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the Plus model also expands the audio support. It adds different types of AAC and, crucially, AC3 pass-through.
So you can pass through premium audio like Dolby Digital.
Exactly, without having to re-encode it. It also adds the RTSP protocol, which gives you more flexibility for distribution.
So when we put it all together for you, the trade-off becomes pretty clear.
It is. The base model is robust, it's dense, and it's cheaper up front.
Yeah.
But the Performux Plus unlocks those huge operational savings on bandwidth and gives you that superior 1080p 60 quality.
So if we bring it back to that big picture idea, the one about density,
right?
If a single 1RU box can really manage up to 24 HD streams, the real question isn't just about today's needs. It's about what comes next.
It's about future-proofing. That 75% bandwidth saving from H.265, that's not just a bonus. It's your runway for the inevitable future demands of 4K and 8K. The real question is, can you afford not to have that efficiency?